In this video, I'm going to show you how to share presentations in PowerPoint 2013 using two simple methods, sharing via email and sharing through OneDrive. This is a really useful skill if you want to send your slides to a coworker, a classmate, or a client without having to upload or export things manually every single time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose the right sharing option, and how to send your presentation in a way that works best for your situation. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the email method. Open your presentation in PowerPoint 2013, and once your file is ready, go to the File tab in the top left corner. This takes you into the Backstage view, where PowerPoint keeps all of the file-related options like saving, printing, and sharing. From there, click Share. On the share screen, you'll see several options, and the one we want for this method is email. Click email to open the email sharing choices. Now PowerPoint will give you a couple of ways to send your presentation. One option is send as attachment. This is the simplest choice if you want to attach the PowerPoint file directly to an email so the other person can open and edit it in PowerPoint. This is great when someone needs the full editable version of the presentation. Another option is send as PDF. If you want to keep your formatting more consistent and make it easier for the recipient to view the slides without changing anything, PDF is often the better choice. It turns your presentation into a document that's easy to read and share across different devices. To use either option, just click the one you want. PowerPoint will prepare the file and open your default email program so you can send it right away. Add the recipient's email address, write your message, and then hit send. That's it for the email method. It's quick, easy, and perfect for fast sharing. Now let's move on to the second method, sharing through OneDrive. This is especially helpful if you want to store the presentation in the cloud and share it with other people using a link. Again, start by going to File, then click Share. This time, instead of email, choose the option to share with people. If your file isn't already saved online, PowerPoint may prompt you to save it to the cloud first. This step is important because OneDrive sharing works by creating an online version of your presentation that others can access. Once your file is saved to OneDrive, PowerPoint will let you enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to share it with. You can also choose whether they can view or edit the presentation, depending on what you need. After that, send the invitation or copy the sharing link and send it manually through email, chat, or any other platform you prefer. This method is ideal when you need real-time collaboration or want to keep everyone working from the same file. So to quickly recap, if you want a fast and simple way to send your slides, use File, Share, Email, and then choose either Send as Attachment or Send as PDF. If you want cloud sharing and collaboration, go to File, Share with People, Save to OneDrive, and then send a link or invite access from there. Both methods are easy once you know where to look, and they can save you a lot of time when working with presentations. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.